Hi, thank you for joining me on this vlog. This is a daring vlog. I am going to take you on my journey from this colour to this. Tomorrow I will be using the colour remover. I'm not using bleach and I'm not using peroxide or anything like that to remove the colour. Today I am classing as day one. My husband went out and bought all the stuff for me, bless him, and I am currently on my skin test. The reason it has a plaster is just because the skin test has to be done on the inside of your arm and I didn't want it rubbing about and, you know, getting my top all dirty, and plus if I do have a reaction, the last thing I want is it smearing up and down my arm. The next video was supposed to be the video where I was doing the process to get the colour out of my hair, but I was doing the skin test and something strange happened. I don't know how well you can see, but all of this here, this red, sore, very painful allergic reaction, that is from the plaster I used. The middle is clear. The middle's fine. I didn't have a reaction to the stuff, so I'm good to use it. This white stuff that you can see, that's calamine lotion because it's so sore. Okay everybody, I'm sure I look absolutely stunning. I put the colour remover on my hair and now I wait for an hour. So it's done. It hasn't lifted it back to my blonde on the length, like you can see. This is my natural colour. I had to apply another colour before, which is the colour remover I'm using, to my hair. I've spent £28 so far and it's just not worth keep spending that much money. So I've decided what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the hairdressers and get them to chop it. And then I've added some wigs to my husband's picks because just in case I'm not a fan of me with short hair. I'm going to pop into the hairdressers in about probably a few days, book my appointment and hope that it all goes well. So I just went into the hairdressers to speak to the hairdresser about my hair and she looked horrified. Not at what I said, just my initial walking in, she looked horrified when she saw my hair. She tried so hard not to let it show, but there was a glimpse and I caught it. I'm gonna ask on the day if I can do a time lapse so that I can bring you a time lapse of me getting it done, but we'll have to see. So my hair, it started going dark again. As you can see, like, it is a risk of that colour remover I was using that it can sometimes go a bit darker, but it's basically gone back completely to how it would have been if I'd never used it. So that was a waste of £28. I'm going to move my hairdresser's appointment forward, but all of this is going, it's all going to be gone. So sad. It's sad, but it's not. I'm really excited about it. Let's fast forward to then. So the hair is done. Just tricking you. This is what I really had done to my hair and I love it. I am so in love with my hair. I think it looks amazing and I'm just, oh, it just feels great and it feels really nice to like touch. So I'm sorry I tricked you a little bit. If you are interested in seeing the video of me having my hair all shaved off at the hairdressers, then please just click that little card right now and it will take you there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all soon on my next video. Bye.